The 2026 36-foot underwater construction tender boat is designed to support demanding marine engineering operations with a balance of strength, maneuverability, and modern onboard technology. Built for offshore construction crews, commercial diving teams, and underwater maintenance projects, this vessel delivers dependable performance in harsh maritime environments. Its rugged hull structure and reinforced deck allow it to operate efficiently during heavy-duty industrial tasks. The exterior design focuses on durability and operational practicality. Heavy-duty railings, anti-slip deck surfaces, and corrosion-resistant materials help the vessel withstand continuous exposure to saltwater conditions. The compact 36-foot size also gives it an advantage in navigating tight harbor areas, construction zones, and shallow coastal waters where larger support vessels struggle to operate. Power comes from advanced marine diesel engines engineered for fuel efficiency and long operational hours. The propulsion system provides reliable thrust even when transporting construction materials, diving equipment, and underwater repair tools. Improved engine insulation also reduces onboard noise levels, creating a more comfortable environment for crew members during extended missions. One of the most important features of the 2026 model is its upgraded underwater support capability. The vessel is equipped with modern dive support systems, including reinforced ladders, diver recovery platforms, and secure storage compartments for oxygen tanks and specialized equipment. These additions improve safety and speed during underwater construction operations. The wheelhouse has been redesigned with modern navigation electronics and digital monitoring systems. Operators can monitor water depth, engine performance, weather conditions, and sonar imaging through integrated touchscreen displays. This advanced technology improves precision when positioning the vessel near underwater structures, pipelines, or offshore installations. Crew comfort has also been improved significantly in the latest model. Despite its industrial purpose, the tender includes ergonomic seating, climate-controlled cabin space, and enhanced visibility through panoramic windows. These upgrades help reduce crew fatigue during long working hours at sea. The reinforced deck crane system is another highlight of the vessel. It allows operators to lift construction materials, underwater tools, and heavy equipment directly from docks or support barges. The crane's smooth hydraulic controls improve efficiency while minimizing the risks associated with manual lifting operations. Safety remains a major priority throughout the vessel's design. Multiple emergency systems, including fire suppression equipment, emergency communication devices, and automatic bilge pumps, are integrated into the boat. High-visibility lighting systems also improve nighttime operation and support diver safety in low-light conditions. The hull design provides excellent stability during underwater construction tasks. Even in rough waters, the vessel maintains steady positioning, which is essential for diving operations and precision engineering work. Enhanced ballast management systems further improve operational control in varying sea conditions. Storage capacity has been optimized for professional crews carrying specialized gear. Dedicated compartments allow organized storage for diving suits, welding tools, ropes, hydraulic equipment, and underwater inspection devices. This practical layout helps crews work more efficiently during complex projects. Fuel efficiency has become increasingly important in commercial marine operations, and the 2026 version addresses this with optimized engine mapping and improved hydrodynamics. Reduced fuel consumption lowers operational costs while extending mission duration without frequent refueling stops. Maintenance accessibility is another strong aspect of the vessel. Engineers can easily access key mechanical systems for inspections and repairs, reducing downtime between assignments. Durable marine-grade components also help minimize long-term maintenance expenses for commercial operators. The tender performs well in a wide range of applications beyond underwater construction. It can support harbor maintenance, bridge inspections, offshore wind farm servicing, salvage missions, and scientific marine operations. This versatility makes it valuable for both private contractors and government marine agencies. Its maneuverability is especially useful in crowded industrial ports and offshore platforms. Responsive steering systems and precise throttle control allow captains to position the vessel accurately near sensitive underwater structures. This precision is critical for ensuring operational safety during construction and repair tasks. Overall, The 2026 36-foot underwater construction tender boat represents a practical and capable solution for modern marine construction support. With its durable construction, advanced technology, reliable performance, and strong focus on safety, the vessel is well suited for demanding underwater operations in both coastal and offshore environments.